11 years old. I'm the founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, I have just reached my 100 videos milestone. Literally, I've just reached my 100 videos milestone and I'm very happy. I'm literally very happy. Okay, and my channel is basically a very helpful channel for children who want to learn coding. And guys, keep supporting me and my channel like this ahead in my journey. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you like the video and keep supporting me like this and my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos and you also become a 10x scholar with me. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye.